All right, we're going to put in the batteries into the remote and into the car itself. Check this little stunt car out. This is a DE38 from DRC. It's just so cool looking. All right, so I've taken the liberty to take the screw out that's on here to speed things up a little bit. This takes 2 AA batteries. We're going to put in our 2 AA. As long as we put them in a crate. It does not come with those AA batteries, so you will need to provide them on your own. It does come with a little tiny screwdriver. We're going to get that screwed in, and I don't get any indication. Oh, it does have a light showing me that it is working now. It's flashing red because it can't pair up. So on the bottom of the car, you've also got to use a little teeny tiny screwdriver. Take this screw out. I'm assuming there's not a battery in here already. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. Oh, there is a battery in there, but it's not connected. So out of the box, it's not connected. You'll need to connect the battery. It comes with 2. Keep one charged and ready to go. So you'll see little leads there. They're going to go up against, looks like. So we're just going to do our best. Well, maybe it goes the other way. It does go the other way. I was wrong. It goes that way. Tuck that back in there. Let's put the little lid back on. Or at least try to. There we go. Little teeny tiny screw with our teeny tiny screwdriver. Couldn't make that any smaller, I can tell you that. Make sure that's in there all the way, because you don't want that battery to fall out. And then you're going to push the power button. Oh, look at that. It's got music. I didn't know that. Well, let's turn on the remote. Okay, so the music changed, and now looks like I'm paired up to it. But let's just, whoa! I pushed the right button. Holy cow. Let's go left. Oh, this is up and down. Let's go left. Oh my goodness. I hope the camera's picking that up. Wow, it flipped over too. No, I can only do that left and right. Forward and back is just going to be forward and back. I don't know what this does. Okay. Whoa, I'm on the tap counter. I got to be careful. The button on the right turns the noise off if you don't want the sound. But watch this. That is so cool. You can do it left or right. I can feel the breeze from it. And look, it flipped over too. That is so cool. Alright, this is the DE38 stunt car. Oh my gosh. Got batteries in it. We're ready to go. I didn't have to charge anything. It came right out of the box ready to go.